Here's a hidden feature known as back tap, which can be found on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 or Note 14 Pro phone with either HyperOS 1 or HyperOS 2. This is currently running HyperOS 2. I'll show you where to go to find this feature and how it works. To see if your phone has it, you'll simply use a quick access and tap on the settings toggle right here. Once you do this here now, use the search settings and type in the words back tap. All right, so back tap, that's what you're typing in here. And once you do this, you're gonna see the suggestion that says double back tap or triple back tap. Tapping on either one of these will take you exactly where we need to go next. So you got the double back tap of your phone here, which can give you access to the control center or the notification shade here. Now, I'm gonna have one set to the control center, and the triple tap will give me access to maybe the calculator, just to give you an idea of how this works. Now, it may take a few tries to get used to the rhythm of the tapping, as you can't just tap at any speed or as hard as you want to, okay? So this has to work on your screen on, by the way. So for example, we got 1, 2, and you can see it gives me the notification shade, okay? So it's kind of like a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, that's gonna give me that. And you're gonna tap around this area here of your phone, like right in the middle top area underneath the camera itself. And if you do the triple tap now, 1, 2, 3, that's gonna give me the calculator. And that's how the back tap feature works. It's really cool. You can change it up to how you want it to be or which function it's gonna access. And of course, if you don't want it to access any of them here, you can always switch it to none and nothing will happen if you back tap on your phone. And that's that. Like and sub.